Top 5 Best Mirrorless Cameras. In the world of photography, mirrorless cameras have emerged as the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, portability, and exceptional image quality. With no bulky mirror mechanism, these cameras offer faster autofocus, superior video capabilities, and a more compact design, making them the ideal choice for both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. If you're looking to upgrade your gear or make the switch from DSLR, choosing the right mirrorless camera can significantly impact your creative projects. Canon EOS R1. The Canon EOS R1 is a high-performance mirrorless camera that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in digital photography. With its cutting-edge technology and robust build, it's designed for professional photographers who demand the best in image quality and speed. The EOS R1 is equipped with a full-frame CMOS sensor that delivers exceptional resolution, dynamic range, and low light performance. Its 45-megapixel sensor captures intricate details with impressive clarity, making it ideal for both studio shoots and fast-paced action. Whether you're photographing sports, wildlife, or portraits, the camera provides consistent, sharp results across a wide range of shooting scenarios. One of the most impressive features of the Canon EOS R1 is its autofocus system. The camera boasts Canon's advanced dual-pixel CMOS f/I technology, which provides incredibly fast and accurate focusing, even on moving subjects. This makes it an ideal choice for photographers who need to capture fast-moving action, like sports or wildlife photography. The EOS R1 also features 8K video recording, allowing users to capture stunningly detailed footage, and its in-body image stabilization ensures that your shots remain steady, even when shooting handheld. For professionals working with high-speed subjects or in dynamic environments, the EOS R1 delivers the performance needed to succeed. Beyond performance, the Canon EOS R1 offers a highly customizable user interface with a touch-sensitive LCD screen, a high-resolution viewfinder, and extensive controls to fine-tune your settings. It's also built with a weather-sealed body, making it durable and reliable even in challenging conditions. The camera is part of Canon's RF lens system, which provides access to a wide range of high-quality lenses, allowing photographers to select the perfect lens for every situation. Sony Alpha-1i. The Sony Alpha-1i is a flagship mirrorless camera designed for those who demand the highest levels of performance in both photography and video. This powerhouse features a 50.1-megapixel full-frame sensor that delivers breathtaking image quality, with exceptional detail, clarity, and color accuracy. The Alpha-1i can shoot at up to 30 frames per second in continuous burst mode, allowing you to capture even the fastest-moving subjects with ease. Whether you're shooting fast sports, wildlife, or other high-speed action, the camera's lightning-fast shutter ensures that you never miss a shot. Sony's autofocus system is another major highlight of the Alpha-1i. It's equipped with an advanced real-time tracking autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection for fast and precise, focusing on both stills and video. The autofocus is capable of recognizing and tracking subjects across the frame, ensuring sharp focus even on moving subjects. The camera also offers impressive low-light autofocus performance, making it a versatile option for shooting in challenging lighting conditions. With its incredible speed and accuracy, the Alpha-1i is a top choice for professional photographers and videographers who need a reliable tool for capturing high-quality images in any situation. The Sony Alpha-1i is not just a stills powerhouse but also a video production dream. It supports 8K video recording at 24 and 4K video at up to 120 frames per second, making it a versatile choice for both filmmakers and content creators. The camera offers professional-grade features like 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth, dual card slots for added storage, and an impressive dynamic range, ensuring that your footage is rich in detail and color. With a durable and weather-sealed body, the Alpha-1i is designed to withstand the rigors of professional use in a variety of environments. Nikon Z6II. The Nikon Z6II is a highly capable mirrorless camera that delivers impressive image quality and performance for both photographers and videographers. Featuring a 24.5-megapixel full-frame sensor, the Z6II provides excellent resolution and dynamic range, with great low-light capabilities. The camera's advanced in-body image stabilization (IBS) ensures that your shots remain sharp even in challenging conditions, while the large Nikon Z mount allows for a wide selection of high-quality lenses that deliver outstanding image quality. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, the Z6i offers a reliable and versatile solution for a wide range of shooting styles. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z6i is its autofocus system. With 273 phase detection points covering a wide area of the frame, the Z6i provides fast and precise autofocus, even in low-light situations. This makes it ideal for photographers who need to capture moving subjects, as the camera's focus tracking is accurate and smooth. In addition, the Z6i features Nikon's deep learning technology, which helps the camera identify and track subjects more effectively, including faces, eyes, and animals. Whether you're shooting fast action or static portraits, the Z6i's autofocus ensures that your images are always in focus. In addition to its superb stills performance, the Nikon Z6i is a powerful video camera. It offers 4K UHD recording at up to 60 frames per second, allowing filmmakers to capture high-quality footage with impressive clarity and detail. The camera also supports 10-bit 4:22 HDMI output, making it ideal for professional video production. The Z6i is designed with a robust, weather-sealed body that is built to handle tough shooting environments, whether you're shooting in a studio or out in the field. Panasonic Lumix GH7. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is a highly versatile mirrorless camera designed with content creators and videographers in mind. Known for its exceptional video recording capabilities, the GH7 offers 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, as well as 10-bit 4:22 color depth for professional-grade footage. The camera is equipped with a 20.3-megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor that delivers sharp and detailed images. With impressive low-light performance and high dynamic range, this makes it an ideal choice for both photography and video, offering a great balance of image quality, speed, and functionality. One of the most impressive features of the Panasonic Lumix GH7 is its advanced in-body image stabilization (IBIs), which helps to eliminate camera shake and ensure that your shots remain steady, even when shooting handheld. This is particularly beneficial for videographers, as smooth, stable footage is essential for high-quality video production. The GH7 also features a highly responsive autofocus system that performs well in both stills and video, allowing you to quickly lock onto subjects, even in challenging lighting conditions. This makes it an excellent option for shooting fast-moving subjects, such as sports or wildlife, as well as for capturing detailed portraits or landscapes. The Panasonic Lumix GH7 is also designed with a rugged weather-sealed body that ensures durability in harsh environments. Whether you're shooting outdoors in inclement weather or working in a studio, the GH7 is built to withstand the demands of professional use. The camera also features a fully articulating touchscreen, allowing for easy framing in any shooting position. Canon EOS R5 Mark I. The Canon EOS R5 Mark I is a powerful and feature-packed mirrorless camera designed to meet the needs of professional photographers and videographers. With its 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, the R5 Mark I offers stunning image quality with exceptional detail, dynamic range, and color accuracy. The camera's advanced dual-pixel CMOS-FI autofocus system ensures fast and precise focusing, even on moving subjects, making it perfect for action shots, sports photography, and wildlife photography. The autofocus system also offers eye detection for humans and animals, ensuring that your subjects remain sharp and in focus. The Canon EOS R5 Mark I is a video powerhouse as well, offering 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. This makes it an ideal choice for filmmakers and content creators who need high-quality video capabilities. The camera also supports 10-bit 4:22 color depth, ensuring that your footage has rich colors and excellent detail. In addition to its video capabilities, the R5 Mark I features in-body image stabilization (IBIs), which helps to reduce camera shake and ensures steady footage even when shooting handheld. In terms of build quality, the Canon EOS R5 Mark I is designed with a rugged weather-sealed body, ensuring that it can handle tough shooting environments. The camera features a high-resolution EVF, electronic viewfinder, a fully articulating touchscreen, and a variety of customizable controls, making it a joy to use for both stills and video. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.